Today I'm going to be making two different types of slime. Clear slime, I'm going to let it sit for 2 days, and soft serve ice cream slime. So let's start with the soft serve. You will be needing, for this slime, you will be needing glue, lotion, baby powder, your activator. Mine is baking soda and contact solution, and foaming hand soap. And you will need a container or anything to mix in and something to mix with. So let's do it. So we're gonna pour in the glue. I was looking for the glue when it was right in front of me. Looks enough. I just don't want to waste my glue because I'm getting a gallon pretty soon, so it's half of the container. Now I'm going to be adding some lotion. That does have a bit of vitamins in it. Just a bit. And now I'm gonna mix. And I'm also adding some pink paint. Actually, I will be right back. I'm gonna go get my pink food coloring. Okay, so my dad is gonna film the slime. So I'm just gonna mix the lotion with the glue. Super thick. Now I'm going to be adding baby powder. I'm using Baby Johnson's baby powder. Oh. And this is what makes it soft serve. Like soft serve ice cream slime. Super pretty. Now I'm going to be adding pink food coloring. Pink gel food coloring. I'm gonna add 1 drop for now. If I want some more, I'll add some more. This looks really pretty.
واو والنضراب هيك بغير اللون.
Yeah. That was my dad in the background. That looks so satisfying. Look, it's satisfying. So satisfying. And guys, if you're using borax, make sure you have parent supervision, because on the box it says keep out reach of children. So make sure you have gloves on or parent supervision. That's just a disclaimer or a reminder or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to add 1 more drop of food coloring. And I'm going to add a bit more baby powder because it isn't really that thick. Oh. That's okay. I can clean it up when the slime is finished. Look at that. It looks like an avalanche. after there is no chunks in the slime and it's fully mixed in, you can add your activator. Oh wait, and then you're going to be adding your foaming hand soap, Ocean Mist, 3 pumps, sorry. And this will make it smell really good. And a bit fluffy as well. And this is what makes it a bit thick, including the baby powder. I'm gonna add 3 more pumps. 2 more. That will make it 8. So I have to do 8 pumps all together. I can do it very slowly. This is what the slime looks like so far. Now I'm just going to set it inside the cap, not outside. And I'm going to be adding a pinch of baking soda. And I really do mean a pinch. If you add more than a pinch, or if you need some more, you can add 1 more pinch. But if you add more than 1 pinch in the beginning, it's going to make your slime not soft serve, but hard serve. Yeah. Like your ice cream has been in the freezer for 1 day, and it was super, super, super hard. So now I'm gonna add just eyeball the contact solution, but just add 1 pinch of baking soda. And I'm doing it in the container so I can actually see like the correct size. And because I don't have any clean bowls at the moment, so. I'm also going to add 1 more pinch of baking soda because I feel like it's not activating that much. It's like I'm cooking right now. By the way, I'm going to be making 2 slimes today because I love making slime. And if I make a lot of slimes and I use up all my containers, I'm going to have to get some more. Definitely. Right, Dad? Right, Dad?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
He said my back hurts in a different language, in my language. So now I'm just going to add some more contact solution. Or saline solution, I should say. These are all the ingredients I have. And I'm just going to be making clear slime without glitter slime because I already have 2 over here. Or I should say, yeah, 2 over here. I wonder what that is, but I think it's like a huge, super small chunk of slime. Sorry about that. sound in the background. I'm gonna go in with my hands now. Dad, can you add me some more saline solution? Context solution? Can you add some more for me? In this one. I'll tell you when it's good. That's good. Can you pour in some baking soda for me, please? That's enough. I'm pretty sure you should know.
Pinch.
That isn't a pink, I just said to pour. That's kind of a bit of the slime. This is a bit of the slime, the soft serve slime. You can see it's super stretchy. Hope it pokes really good too. Good. Whoa, it's so stretchy. See that? Oh, oops. That was a lot. But it will activate it faster. There we go. It's starting to activate more now.
يابا
ها
تعال بسرعة.
يا زلمه دقيقه بصور لها قاعد.
That's just my language that my brother and dad are speaking. There's some more. I'm just gonna pour it on the ground now so it can be a bit more easier. But it is still kind of glue, but it is slime as well. Well, let's do this. There's a lot of slime on my contact solution bottle. So I'm gonna spray some on my hands. So, see, there it is. It's the soft serve slime, but it's not all of it. Sorry about that language in the background. That's pretty bad language, but I probably will edit that out. I'm just gonna knead it fully now. Let's see these chunks. Just gonna knead it. So gonna add some more of this. Yeah, I know. I just cleaned it up.
حطي هاي هون.
هلو. يابا طلعت كوع بمليونين. شرفت. اسمع معي قص 5 ضرب 600 مليون يجي فتح 4 3 5 شمطني هولين 400 مليون ظلين معي فتح 9 و5 مع جوز قص
يلا
3.5 بليون معي 3 بليون.
And you can add your food coloring after the slime is done, or before the slime is even stirred or something. Well, like finished. But I want to keep my hands clean and not dyed by just adding it pretty sooner than that. What do you think about the poking, guys? Is it good or not? Now I'm going to apply it into the container and kind of clean the container as well with the slime. This was a pretty hard slime to make because it wasn't really activating that much. But that's okay, it's finally done. smell it? Ooh, that smells really good. It smells like oceans. Because again, ocean mist. This is so cool, Dad. You should feel it. I know this isn't really good ASMR, but I mean, it's okay. It's so glossy. So squishy. Okay, let's get on to the next slime, guys. I'm gonna clean the
Pauli? It's already 18 minutes.
I know.
I thought it's 20 minutes video. يلا بابا جاي توجعني تخدري. It's almost done.
It isn't a 20-minute video.
أيوه 16:35.
It isn't 18 minutes.
You don't watch the video now?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a really quick other slime, and it's only gonna take probably like 3 minutes. Okay. It's a really good container because it seals really good. Okay. This slime will be a very quick slime because clear glue is much easier to activate than soft serve if you're making a soft serve. So you're just gonna open the glue and pour it in. Guys, if you guys want to see slime shopping, well, not slime shopping, but like getting like a gallon and a few of these bottles, stay tuned for March 15th, which is in 5 days. So, my dad is laughing, but here's the clearness. It looks literally like water. You guys see that? Now, I'm not going to add any glitter. I'm not going to add any of that. I'm going to be adding, look, is this water or glue? It's glue because it's so thick. Water just adding some more baking soda. I'm using Arm & Hammer because that's the most easiest one to deal with. What? What are you laughing about? Look, you can see the baking soda on the spatula of how clear it is. Do you see that? That's so cool. Do you guys like the clear slime? What do you guys like?
ما فيش commercial عندك انت؟
There is a commercial, Dad. This is an extra commercial on how to make clear slime. Now, once all of that is mixed, I'm gonna add more.
وسط الطيزة وانا
Stop. He means like he's almost about to break his back.
Yeah.
In my language. It's this pink thing that needs to come out. It's like already slime. Here. I'm just gonna put this excess stuff on my hands into this slime. Soft serve. Serve slime. Such a pretty color as well. It's like a really pretty hot pink. And it looks like slime that you make with Tide. But I'm using, again, as I said, now I'm going to be adding my saline solution from Equate. Language. Definitely editing that out. Look how clear it is, even with a bit of air bubbles. See, it's thickening up. See that? Dad, do you like the clearness of this slime? Tell the world.
21 minutes, Mama.
I know it's 21 minutes. All my videos are long. Here's a part of the slime.
هذا clear بدك تعملي no color ولا شيء.
Yeah. Clear, I want to make it, he said, and no color. And I said yes. That's, I think, enough for now. Let's see, I can poke it. I, again, am going to play with my hands. Not play, I'm play with the slime. And I'm gonna put this. Whoa! It's like crystal. Like my dad said, crystal clear. Yay, clap, clap, clap. That's a part of the slime. The rest isn't. To be honest, it isn't sticking to my palm, but it is sticking to my fingers. Wee, it's so sketchy. Dad, what's your favorite slime? Clear,
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 clear.
fluffy,
Clear and fluffy.
soft serve,
Yeah.
every slime,
Uh-huh.
and that egg slime that you call egg slime?
Yeah. خلصت انتي?
Almost.
Nice.
Yeah, it's so
Look
pearly.
like frozen water.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Can you add a bit more contact solution for me?
No, much.
He said I love you.
A lot. Ugh!
I don't know why he's yelling. I thought he won the lotto for some reason. So good.
Rocky.
He said have fun, have fun.
That's your channel.
Yeah, of course it is.
Subscribe.
Yeah, definitely subscribe. Listen to what he said. Subscribe, guys. Whoa. It's kind of pink. I don't know. I don't know. It's more. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. I got some on my toe. My dad helped me because I didn't notice that, to be honest.
together.
He said it looks so cool.
ترقع يا.
It said have fun, huh?
The best fun. A beautiful girl, Elena.
I'm not beautiful. I'm pretty.
Very beautiful. ولا بلا شيء.
Said walk.
Lucky.
Get lost. Look, it's clear. Look at this. Look. That. Show them how clear. Ready, guys? Ready? Look up here. Look to my face. Last squirt of contact solution, and I'll knead it, and I'll end the video, and I'll show you guys the slime, and I'll do like a 1 minute ASMR. Guys, it's so good. It's a bit pink. I don't know why.
I like this one. It's nice. It looks eatable.
Eatable? Eatable? You mean edible?
Eatable. Like I want to eat it.
Edible. It looks like yogurt.
Right. No, it looks like candy.
Pink ice.
Candy. Oh.
Pink ice. Whoa. Dad, have you ever experienced me making slime?
No.
No,
First
I mean,
time.
like, touch this.
Oh my God.
It's so sticky on my dad's hand. Is it cool? Does it smell good? Ew! Did you eat it? No. Here, put it in. I want to do some satisfying videos. Okay, here's the ASMR.
Why don't you mix it with the other one?
No, I want to make a clear slime. Okay, here's the ASMR, guys.
You like slimes, Elena?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Cool.
Fart noises. Ready? Here comes the fart pops. The popcorn. That's my phone ringing, guys.
طيب اعطيني تليفون هذا العمو اعطيني التليفون.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone, Ronnie. Give me my phone.
بابا 1 second والله. It's recording you. الله يستر.
Okay, so yeah, guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on next time. Goodbye.